Mars hosts one of the most extraordinary geological structures in the solar system, Valles Marineris, an immense rift stretching nearly 4,000 kilometers long, about 200 kilometers wide, and up to 10 kilometers deep. This colossal Martian formation dwarfs Earth's canyons, such as the famous Grand Canyon in the United States, which, though majestic, is about 9 times smaller. But how did such a gigantic fracture form on a planet as small as Mars? To answer this question, we must explore Mars's history and the missions that have unveiled the secrets of this enigmatic planet. Valles Marineris was discovered thanks to NASA's Mariner 9 mission, launched in May 1971. This was the first spacecraft to enter Mars orbit, overcoming a global dust storm that completely obscured the Martian surface. While other spacecraft struggled to capture detailed images of the planet, Mariner 9, once the storm cleared, mapped Mars's surface and uncovered incredible features, including the giant equatorial rift, which was later named Valles Marineris in honor of the mission. Before that, we had no idea that Mars housed such a colossal structure. The discovery shocked scientists, who quickly began formulating theories about how such a rift could form on a planet without the intense tectonic activity of Earth. To grasp the immensity of Valles Marineris, let's compare it to our Grand Canyon, one of Earth's most impressive canyons. The Grand Canyon stretches about 446 kilometers, has a maximum width of around 29 kilometers, and reaches depths close to 2 kilometers. Although majestic, this terrestrial canyon is tiny compared to Valles Marineris, which extends for 4,000 kilometers, is up to 200 kilometers wide, and sinks over 7 kilometers deep in some places. If we imagined Valles Marineris on Earth, it would stretch from the far east of Russia to the western coast of Spain. This impressive structure is so vast that if it were on Earth, it would be visible from space, spanning over 1/10 of the planet's circumference. But there's more. Despite Valles Marineris' gigantic size, Mars is a much smaller planet than Earth, with a diameter of about 6,779 kilometers, just half of Earth's. This makes Valles Marineris truly colossal, as it occupies nearly 20% of the planet's circumference. Contrary to initial beliefs, Valles Marineris is not a canyon in the terrestrial sense. It wasn't carved by river erosion. On Earth, canyons typically result from prolonged river activity that carves through the Earth's crust. However, Mars doesn't have enough extensive fluvial activity to explain the formation of such a valley system. Today, scientists believe Valles Marineris is the result of a tectonic fracture in Mars's crust, similar to a massive rift. This type of formation occurs when a planet's crust stretches and fractures under tectonic stress. A comparable example on Earth is the Great Rift Valley in East Africa, which extends for thousands of kilometers and continues to grow as African tectonic plates slowly move apart. In Mars' case, the primary source of tectonic stress that caused Valles Marineris is thought to be the nearby volcanic region of Tharsis, an enormous plateau west of Valles Marineris, home to some of the largest volcanoes in the solar system, including the massive Olympus Mons. It's believed that during Mars's early history, volcanic eruptions in the Tharsis region exerted immense pressure on the Martian crust, leading to the formation of a vast series of fractures and rifts, with Valles Marineris being the most spectacular example. Although Valles Marineris wasn't directly shaped by rivers, evidence suggests that liquid water may have played a significant role in its evolution. Images and data collected by various missions, such as the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, show signs of erosion and sedimentary deposits within the valleys. This suggests that, in the distant past, liquid water might have flowed through parts of Valles Marineris, filling its depressions with lakes or even temporary seas. These discoveries are particularly exciting, as they provide crucial clues about Mars's ancient climate. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars was a much warmer and wetter planet, with rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. The presence of liquid water on Mars's surface is vital to the possibility that the planet might have hosted microbial life in the past. Today, Valles Marineris remains one of Mars's most fascinating areas and a top priority for future exploration missions. Thanks to rovers, landers, and orbiters that have been studying the planet for decades, we've only scratched the surface of the potential geological and biological discoveries that might await scientists in this region. Among the most ambitious projects in development is the VAMI mission, which could employ a fleet of flying drones or small helicopters, similar to the Ingenuity helicopter that accompanied the Perseverance rover in 2021. These aircraft would explore Valles Marineris in detail, gathering data on ancient geological layers, ice formations, and mineral deposits that could reveal crucial information about hydrothermal activity and the planet's potential habitability. Exploring Valles Marineris could also reveal traces of ancient Martian biospheres, if liquid water persisted long enough on the surface. The canyon's deepest regions might have offered a more stable environment, shielded from cosmic rays, providing refuge for primitive life forms. Valles Marineris has captured the imagination not only of scientists, but also of science fiction writers and filmmakers. Many novels set on Mars depict Valles Marineris as the site of human colonies, underground bases, or even ancient Martian civilizations. Its colossal size, coupled with the mystery surrounding its origins, makes it a perfect setting for adventurous tales and futuristic visions of space exploration. With advancements in space missions, perhaps one day in the not-too-distant future, we'll see humans walking along its depths, exploring its rocky walls, and maybe even discovering traces of a Martian past more incredible than we can imagine. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to not miss the next videos.